Today I'm showing you just how easy it is to apply the House of Lashes Daily Collection underneath your natural lash line for a seamless look. I love these because of the flexible black band. It makes them blend effortlessly into your lash line for all-day wear. Start by curling your natural lashes. This gives the falsies the perfect guide to blend into your natural lashes. First, I gently remove the lashes using my applicator and pull them down starting at the outer corner of the lashes. Always save the lash tray for storage because the lashes are reusable. Apply the House of Lashes Bonding Glue by combing it only at the base to the midpoint of your natural lashes. My favorite thing about this glue is that it has a quick dry time for an instant bond. When applying, look down into a mirror and gently lift your eyelids so you can clearly see under your lash line. With an applicator or tweezers, place the lash band as close to your natural lashes as possible. Then gently pinch your real lashes and falsies together for a flawless blend. To finish, lightly coat and brush through your lashes with the House of Lashes Sealant. This removes any stickiness from the glue and locks your lashes in place for all-day wear. And voila! You are set for the day.